Leo, I did a mistake.
Ah, you made a mistake.
See, I did it again.
No, that one was correct. You did it again. And you made a mistake. Both are right.
Leo, this is why I hate English.
I know, but in 1 minute, you will never mix them up again.
1 minute? Really?
Really, because there is one simple rule.
Okay, tell me the rule.
Do the work, make the result.
Do the work, make the result.
Yes, say it one more time.
Do the work, make the result.
Perfect. Now let me show you what that means. Imagine your kitchen. It is dirty. Plates everywhere.
Oh no, my real kitchen looks like that.
So you wash the plates. Is that work or is that a result?
That is work.
Correct. So we say, I do the dishes.
I do the dishes.
Now you take flour, sugar, eggs, and 1 hour later, there is a cake on the table.
A cake? That is new. It was not there before.
Exactly. That is a result. So I make a cake.
I make a cake. Oh, because the cake did not exist before.
Anna, that is the whole lesson. You just explained it better than most teachers.
Wow, okay. I like this rule.
Let us practice do first. Do is for work, jobs, tasks, things you have to finish.
Like my homework.
Yes, do your homework. Never make your homework.
I have said make my homework so many times.
Everybody does. Now you will not. Here's the office one. You come to work, you open your computer, you start your job.
I do my work.
Yes, and when you try very hard?
I do my best.
Perfect. Do your best. That is a beautiful sentence. Use it in every job interview.
Do your best. Writing that one down.
One more. Your friend needs help. Something small. What do you ask?
Can you help me?
Good, but here's the natural one. Could you do me a favor?
Oh, that sounds so natural. Could you do me a favor?
Yes, native speakers say that every single day. Quick check. I say a word, you say do or make. Ready?
Ready.
The shopping.
Do the shopping.
Exercise.
Do exercise.
Your job.
Do your job.
3 for 3. You have do now.
This is easier than I thought.
Now, make. Make is when something new appears. A thing, an idea, a feeling.
Like the cake.
Like the cake. Now you and your friend are choosing a restaurant. Finally, you choose Italian.
We make a decision?
Yes, before there was no decision. Now there is one. You made a decision.
Oh, I love this. It's like building something.
Exactly. Now you are late for work every morning. So on Sunday, you sit down and write a schedule.
I make a plan.
Beautiful. Make a plan. And when you write the wrong answer on a test?
I make a mistake, not do a mistake.
And that's where we started. Full circle.
Ha! I fixed my own first sentence.
3 more. You move to a new city. You meet nice people.
I make friends.
Your neighbor plays loud music at midnight.
I make an angry face.
Both correct. Last one. You work hard and your bank account grows.
I make money.
Yes, never do money, always make money.
Make money. Got it. Leo, wait. What about my bed? Every morning I fix my bed. Is that work?
Good question. It feels like work, yes?
It feels like work.
But we say make the bed
What? Why?
because you create something. Before, messy. After, a beautiful, flat, clean bed. A new result.
Oh, the tidy bed did not exist before.
Exactly. Same with your hair, but opposite. We say do your hair.
Make the bed, do my hair. English is strange.
It is, but there are only about 5 strange ones. Everything else follows the rule.
Only 5? I can remember 5.
So, let us lock it in. Say the rule.
Do the work, make the result.
Louder.
Do the work, make the result.
Now you will never forget it. Time for the error lab.
Ooh, my favorite part. You speak badly, I fix you.
Correct. Ready? I need to make my homework tonight.
No, do your homework.
Fast. She did a big mistake at work.
She made a big mistake.
Could you make me a favor?
Could you do me a favor?
We need to do a decision today.
Make a decision.
Last one, careful. I will do my bed and then do my hair.
I will make my bed and then do my hair.
Anna, that was the hardest one and you got it.
I actually feel smart right now.
Now the real test. Role play. No explanations, just conversation.
Okay, what is the situation?
Sunday morning, we are flatmates. The apartment is a disaster.
Got it. In character.
And action.
Morning, Leo. Wow, this kitchen is a disaster.
I know. I did not do the dishes last night. Sorry.
It is okay, but we should make a plan for today.
Good idea. Could you do the shopping? I'll do the cleaning.
Deal. Oh, could you do me a favor first?
Sure. What is it?
Could you make some coffee? I cannot think without it.
Ha! Of course. And Anna, please make your bed. Your room is worse than the kitchen.
Hey! Okay, that is fair. I will make my bed, do my hair, and then go.
Perfect. Let us do our best today.
Let us make it a good day.
And cut.
Leo, I used both of them. I didn't even think.
9 times. You used them 9 times without stopping. That's fluency.
I just thought about the meaning, not the rule.
That's the secret. The rule is for practice. Meaning is for speaking. Quick summary. Lock it in forever.
Go.
Prompting. Do is for
Work, jobs, tasks. Do the dishes, do your homework, do your best.
prompting. Make is for
Results, new things. Make a cake, make a plan, make a mistake.
prompting. And the strange ones?
Make the bed, do your hair.
Anna, you have completely mastered this.
Thank you, Professor Leo.
And the golden sentence for today?
Do the work, make the result.
Beautiful. Say that once a day and it becomes automatic.
Okay, homework for everyone listening.
Fun homework. No test, I promise.
Go to the comments right now.
Write 2 sentences, one with do, one with make.
Something real from your day, not from a book.
And if you're not sure, write it anyway.
The error lab is open. We'll fix it gently.
We read every comment, every single one.
Could you write a comment? I would like to read it.
Ha! Look at you, using last week's lesson.
I do my best.
And that was perfect. That's all for today.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing.
Remember, do the work, make the result.
And if this helped you, subscribe. We post new conversations every week.
See you in the next one.